Alright guys, for you guys that have been in my DM and you're asking that you're having issues with your Amazon account, that whenever you go to Amazon and like we're on Amazon KDP right now and we hit this update now button and it asks us to verify an OTP, like how exactly this place two-factor authentication, that whenever you want to put your number right here, it's gonna just say no, or it's just gonna close up. So let's just try one more time just to show you guys what exactly it's showing, because they actually do show me those kinds of things once in a while also, but I have various way of solving it. I just want to teach you guys the easiest way, because this is the easiest way. Okay, this is the easiest way to actually sort this out. So let me just get a particular number and put here. So I'm just going to be putting the number right here just for you guys to actually see what I'm talking about. Send OTP. As you can see, it says internal error. It couldn't send the OTP. Now, how do you solve this error issue with OTP on Amazon KDP? Now, that's what I'm going to be showing you guys. Now, what are you going to do whenever you have this issue? So just come here. So just go to amazon.com. Amazon.com. Guys, amazon.com now. We're not going to kdp.amazon.com. You know, Amazon KDP is at kdp.amazon.com, but this one is particularly we're going to amazon.com. Don't make mistake. So when you go to amazon.com, just log in with your normal KDP details. Now let me sign out here, because I'm already logged in through my KDP. That's why it automatically logs me in. Now, I don't have an Amazon account. This particular account doesn't have an Amazon account. It only has a KDP, Amazon KDP account. But Amazon allows every customer to use the same login for everything on Amazon. Either you are on KDP, either you are on a particular normal Amazon or not. Once you create any account with them, you use the same login for everything. So just put in your normal KDP login and you're going to be in. So let me just put in normal login. Okay, let's put password. Now let's hit sign in. Just click not now and you go straight to amazon.com. As you can see, we're on amazon.com, the actual amazon.com, where people buy and sell, where people buy stuff rather. So all you have to do is to go down. Now we're going down, deep down. This is the last stage, which is the down of the page here, and we're going to be clicking your account. Now once you click your account, scroll down and click login and security. You can see login and security. Okay, now we are here. Now this is what you want to do. You want to scroll down also and go to this two-step verification purpose and hit turn on. So you can see this is the two-step verification. The first one goes with the phone number, blah blah. Don't choose that, just leave it and come down and choose this particular one that says authenticator app, generate OTP. So click on it. This is it. Now what you want to do now is you want to go download an authenticator app. So you either download a Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator. They are both available on App Store and Play Store, whichever you decide to use. So this is an App Store. Let's just type Google Authenticator here. Google Authenticator. This is Google Authenticator. So you just click on get if you want to download it. I don't need it because I have Microsoft Authenticator. But now let's check Microsoft Authenticator also. Microsoft Authenticator. You can see here Microsoft Authenticator. This is it. Just download it, but I already have, so I'm just going to be opening mine. So once you open it, whichever one you decide to use, you're going to get an option to add. Since it's like new, you don't have like me, for example, like me now, I already have some stuff on it. So all I have to do is to just add new one. Look at this plus sign up here by the right. I'm going to click on it to add new one. But if it's new, like you, that you just created an account, this plus sign is going to be either in the middle, or you're just going to see an option that says add an account. So just click on it. which is add an account. So on Microsoft Authenticator, you're going to see something like this, but on Google you might not see it, but that doesn't mean that it's a different thing. Okay, so this one is Microsoft Authenticator, so you see something like this. One, it says personal account, work or school account, then order. I always choose this order because it doesn't limit you to anything. So just choose this order if you are actually using the Microsoft Authenticator. But if you're using the Google Authenticator, it might not show you all these kind of things. It's just going to come to this particular place immediately. You can see this particular place that says scan or enter code manual. That's where it's going to take you to. Immediately you click add account if you are using the Google Authenticator. So let's click add manually because we're using the Microsoft Authenticator. We're clicking add manually. Now here you can see there's an option to put in name and security key. So this name, we're going to be putting Amazon, just for us to know that the particular code that this thing is going to be giving us belongs to Amazon. The reason why you have to do this, you might decide not to put anything there. It's not compulsory, but I have a lot of things I use this authenticator for. So if I don't put a name, I won't remember which one belongs to which one. So now we're going to come back here and I'm going to copy this particular code. See, number 3 says to add an account manually, type the text code below into the app. So this is this particular text code below. That's what we need. I'm going to copy it and I'm going to go here, right here, and put it into where it says the secret key. I'm going to paste it and we're going to hit the finish. As you can see, we already have a particular code here. So this code changes every 15 seconds or 25 seconds, I think so. So all you have to do is to always use this code for it. Now once we are verified, so I want you to just change first so it doesn't delay. Now it's changed. Okay, 30 seconds. So I'm just going to copy this one that belongs to Amazon. You can see it says code copied. Then I'm going to go back here. Then I'm going to put in that particular code here. It says where it says enter OTP. I'm going to post it there. Then I'm going to hit verify OTP and continue. Now it says here you can decide to just leave this. It's not important, but this is my account, so I can decide to say don't require OTP on this browser if I'm using this browser, so it doesn't require me to put in OTP anymore, blah blah. I can decide to put it, but it's not compulsory. So got it. Turn on two-step authentication verification. Just click on this turn on two-step and we are done. So now what we want to do now is to go back to KDP and log in and do our thing the normal way we want to do it and see if it actually works or not. So now let's go back to KDP. So it's supposed to log in automatically, but if it doesn't log in, it's not a big deal. We're just going to log in. Okay, it logs in automatically. So now we're going back to here, which says the update now. I'm sure a lot of you that watched my previous video on how to create an Amazon KDP account, most of you are actually stuck here. So now this is it. You can see here it says two-step verification. It says for added security, please enter the one-time password OTP generated by your authenticator app. Now it's not asking you to put in any number anymore. It just says you put in the OTP by authenticator app. So we're going to open our authenticator app and copy the code that goes with the Amazon, the one for Amazon, sorry. So copy code. Then we're going to come back here. I'm going to paste the code here and we're going to sign in. And voila. Okay, you can see it goes. Now it's loading exactly. So now we are in. You can see we are in. So you don't have to do it on your phone. Okay, I'm doing this on my phone because it's easier and for me, since I'm using a particular authenticator app which is on the phone, since I can't download the authenticator app on my laptop. So that's the reason why I recorded this particular video with my phone. So all you have to do is to just go ahead and finish your registration. Okay, so guys, that's how to bypass the OTP error blah 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 issues. So the next video, guys, watch out. The next video I'm going to be creating is how to actually solve the 30% tax. Okay, and for you guys that are just here for the first time, guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, smash the bell icon, so whenever I drop a new video, you'll be one of the first few people to actually get to see my videos. And don't forget to join our channel. Look at the description. We have the channel link on the description. As you can see, we are engaging and I'm always replying people on my WhatsApp channel, WhatsApp group, sorry. I'm always replying people. I have a WhatsApp channel also, but I reply people mostly on the group. You can see I'm active and always replying people. And I have a lot of people that come to my inbox also. If you also want to come to my inbox, go ahead, I'll reply you. I'm always busy, but I definitely take time to reply. As you can see, I have a lot of replies right here. So join our group and stay connected. Now that's all for this video. Thank you so much, guys. See you later in the next video. Bye bye.